Today, I'm going to teach you how to automate adding a date to items created in Monday.com. This is incredibly useful because it saves you from manually entering creation dates every single time you add a new task or item to your board. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's get started. First, you'll want to go to your Monday.com board, open the specific board where you want this automation to run. This could be a project board, a task tracker, or any workspace where you're regularly adding new items and need to keep track of when they were created. Once you're on your board, look towards the top right corner of your screen and click on Automate. This button is your gateway to setting up all kinds of automated workflows in Monday.com, making your work process much more efficient and hands-free. After clicking Automate, you'll see several options appear. Go ahead and click on Create from Scratch. This option allows you to build a custom automation tailored specifically to your needs, rather than using a pre-made template. Now you'll see the Automation Builder interface. Click on When this happens. This is where you define the trigger that will start your automation. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Item Created. This tells Monday.com to watch for any new items being added to your board, which is exactly what we want. Next, click on Then Do This. This is where you specify what action should happen automatically when the trigger occurs. From the options that appear, select Set Date. This action will automatically populate a date column with a specific date whenever a new item is created. After selecting Set Date, you'll need to specify which date column should be filled. Click on the Date field in the Automation Setup, and from the drop-down menu, select your Creation Date column. Make sure you're choosing the correct column where you want the creation date to appear. This step is crucial because it determines exactly where the automated date will be recorded. Now that your automation is fully configured, it's time to test it. Add a new item to your board just like you normally would. If everything is set up correctly, the creation date column should automatically populate with today's date. This confirms that your automation is working perfectly and will continue to do this for every new item you create going forward. And that's it. You've successfully automated date tracking for new items in Monday.com, which means you'll never have to manually enter creation dates again. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.